Hello guys. So the weather is cold outside, so the workers are putting salt on the roads to help the snow melt quicker. So to make the roads safer for you to drive on. So when I was seeing workers putting salt on the road so the cars don't slip and slide, I was really confused. So I just watched some videos and I searched it up on the internet, and I read some websites. In those websites, in the videos, they said that salt is sodium chloride, and when you put salt in the snow or ice, it becomes sodium ion and chloride ion, and sodium ion and chloride ion stops the process of water molecules bonding together to create ice. So this is why they put it in the snow. So now I want to see if this method actually works. I want to see with my very own eyes that this works. So I'm gonna take two cups. I'm gonna take 2 cups and put the exact same amount of snow in it. And I'm gonna put salt in one of the cups. I'm gonna put a timer for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 30 minutes to see if this method actually works. Vanakkam. So now I'm gonna add the salt into one of these cups.
That's a lot of salt.
This is the salt one, and this is the normal one. I'm gonna take a taste test. They're good. So as a bonus, I'm gonna split the floor. One side with salt and the other side with no salt. Watch me do it. It's good, yeah? I think we got our salt. I'm gonna pour it on one side. I did a mistake by putting it in one spot, so I'm gonna spread it all around now. Seasoning on this one. Now the experience on its way. I got time to relax. It's been 40 minutes. We're now going to check the status. Wow. So it appears to be the method is correct. I added salt on this side of the snow, and in my mistake, it erased all of the snow away. And you can see it's slowly melting. On this side, it looks perfectly normal. Our cups are here right now with us. So now look. So this cup we kept salt in this cup. It has been melting, even in chilly temperature. As we thought salt was gonna melt. And this is the cup with no salt in it. You can see there's no difference in this. It has been the same since we started. You can see a lot of difference in both of them together. So this method has been proven to be correct. Look at this. Nipple. It's so cool. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications. You're exploring the Shrijan.